Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to OMAH'S TV, my lovely people. How you're doing? I'm doing great, guys. So if you're joining us for the first time, you're at the right place for premium bbnaija updates, life dev vlogs, other open entertainment to read. So my people, just consider tapping on the subscribe button. No, you're not going to regret that because I'll be coming back-to-back content for you. Okay, so guys, in this video Bella got to show us her full room tour in Cape Town. You get it, because fans have been requesting for this for quite some time now, and Bella just decided to do that last night because bigsheggz wasn't around here. So Mrs. Ikoyi was kind of bored and decided to do this video to satisfy her fans, okay, because they've been requesting back to back for it. So guys, I will just allow this video play so you hear Big Bella's voice as she takes you around their crib in Cape Town, okay?
Okay, let me show you guys the sitting room. That's the kitchen. Okay, the bathroom. There's the bathroom. And the balcony. I could also go through there to the room as well. So yeah. I really love SA, right? I don't know why, but there's just something about this place. I just really love SA. I love Cape Town. It feels like home, but it's nothing like home. Shout out to Pepsi for spoiling you with a Gucci bag. Thank you, Pepsi. How are the ones I bought today?
So guys, hope you enjoyed watching the tour, like the room tour Bella just did. So I'm gonna try allow Bella rest now because fans have been requesting for this, thinking that they will see bigsheggz stuff. But anyways, who noticed that stuff that was given to bigsheggz at the airport on the day of their arrival? Who saw it on the couch there? If you did, let me know in the comment section, okay? So guys, here's the update I brought for you all. If you found this interesting and you'd love to see more of this, and you know this is your first time joining us here on our channel, please don't fail to tap on the subscribe button, my Instagram, to turn on the post notification bell icon. Is absolutely free, so you always get notified whenever I drop a new video, okay? To my returnees, guys, know I love you so much. You all please give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments and share if possible. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.